Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to blur your background in CapCut. Let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Open the CapCut app and click New Project. Load in the video where you want to blur the background. Step 2. Before making any edit, export this video. Click on Export at the top right. Once it's exported, go back to your CapCut editor. Step 3. Head over to the Effects tab. Use the search bar and type blur. Tap search. Add the blur effect to your video. Once you edit the blur, save the version by exporting it again. Now you'll have two videos. One normal version, one blurred version. Step 4. Go back to your project and import the blurred version first. Tap New Project. Import blurred version. Then add an overlay by bringing in the normal video on top of it. Select the overlay clip, the normal one, and choose Remove Background. Use custom removal if needed to select yourself more precisely. Now you'll notice your background is beautiful blurred, while you stay sharp and clear. Play the video to make so everything looks good. If you're happy with it, go ahead and export your final video. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.